There is a storm coming for every man who has been ignoring the truth. August 16 and 17 are not ordinary days. They are tests, mirrors, and opportunities. Most men drift through life thinking they have time, thinking tomorrow will save them, thinking comfort is enough. But tomorrow is an illusion. And comfort is a thief that robs you of your potential, your discipline, and your strength. These days are critical because they reveal your reality. Will you rise or continue to drift? Will you embrace the fire that has always been inside you, or will you surrender to mediocrity? Today we confront the truths that most men avoid, the challenges most men run. Time is the one thing men misunderstand most. You think you have enough. You think tomorrow will be the day you finally start. Tomorrow you'll eat better, hit the gym, work on yourself. But tomorrow is a lie. Every broken promise to yourself eats away at your spirit until you stop believing in your own words. August 16 and 17 are your mirror. If you cannot rise now, when will you? A time is not infinite. The sand is slipping. Comfort and distraction steal your life one moment at a time. Imagine if you had 1 year left. Suddenly meaningless scrolling, shallow relationships, and excuses vanish. You see what truly matters. Every wasted day is a betrayal to yourself and your potential. These 2 critical days are the alarm clock ringing. Hit snooze or rise. Break the illusion of time, or time will break you from and the choices that will determine the rest of your life. Most men chase temporary pleasures, endless scrolling, shallow validation, avoiding pain. But growth lives in discomfort. Pain teaches. Discomfort sharpens. Discipline is forged in struggle. August 16 and 17 will whisper challenges disguised as moments of ease. Resist comfort. Step into challenges. Substitute challenges. Face fear. Embrace the fire within. Only discomfort pain does not negotiate. It does not apologize. Most men fear it, numb it, or run from it. But pain is the most honest teacher you will ever have. Heartbreak, loss, failure, all are lessons disguised as suffering. Avoiding pain means avoiding growth. Accept it, learn from it, and transform it into strength. Every scar, every setback, every disappointment is evidence you are alive and capable of rising higher than ever before. August 16 and 17 will confront you with moments of pain. Embrace them. Let them awaken the man inside you. Product many men today drift lost. Society tells them strength is toxic, power is selfish, so they hide courage, ambition, and presence. But the masculine spirit is not aggression. It is clarity, discipline, courage, and presence. It is showing up, leading, protecting, and creating. Without it, you drift, you react, you lose control. Awareness awakens it, discipline sharpens it, courage ignites it. August 16 and 17 will test whether you are ready to rise or reclaim your masculine spirit. The fire has always been inside you. Ease, strength, presence, and a life worth living. Stop hiding. Stop postponing growth. Facing the mirror is uncomfortable. It forces honesty. It exposes excuses, fear, and regret. But it also reveals potential. Every flaw, every mistake, every regret is a chance to become stronger, wiser, disciplined. August 16 and 17 are mirrors. Will you face the every man faces choice? Every moment defines who you will be. Fear, comfort, distraction, these tempt you to drift. Choice is responsibility. Ignoring choice is surrender. Embracing choice is power. August 16 and 17 are tests. Will you act, rise, face pain, reclaim your spirit, or drift into mediocrity? Choose courage, choose action, choose growth, choose yourself. Real power is not circumstances. Real power is the decision you make today. Now it is your turn. No one will save you. Not friends, not family, not the world. The man you become depends entirely on the choices you make, the discipline you embrace, and the courage you summon in these critical moments. Face the mirror, embrace discomfort, reclaim your masculine spirit, rise. If this message resonates like this video, comment your commitment below, share it with someone who needs to hear the truth, and subscribe for more raw, reality-based motivation. Life does not wait, neither should you. Or retreat. Transformation begins when you face yourself and refuse to blink.